Hello, for Uber?
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Good. You mind if I...
Oh, what do you got there?
Oh, I've got the greatest thing on earth.
Oh, what are you bringing into my car? What is that?
It's a PLUFL.
A PLUFL? What is a PLUFL?
It's
Here,
my
I'll help you.
dog bed.
I'll help you with that. Oh, what the heck?
Yeah.
Oh.
Isn't it so soft?
So,
oh, wow. Thank you for
so you just
help.
brought this in? Here,
Yeah.
shut the door.
I sure did.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
So, wait, this is like, you're bringing this into, okay. Oh,
Is that okay? I put it in the notes. I'm glad that you listened to the notes about putting the seats down because I needed to accommodate
Yeah, no,
this.
I thought you had a bike or something. I don't know. I didn't think you brought a whole bed in there with you. All right, so you're just really gonna sit in there.
Yeah.
All right, fair enough.
Oh,
Well, I guess you can't really wear a seatbelt, but
yeah.
so what is it?
This is security.
What is
This
that called?
security. It's a PLUFL.
Oh my gosh, it's like super soft.
Softest. It's literally the softest thing
What the heck?
I've ever felt.
Literally feels like a rabbit's butt. I mean, not that I've felt one before,
Yeah.
but like it feels like it. If a rabbit did have a soft butt, that it would feel like that. So
anyway.
So it's big enough for you to take a nap in there, huh? Like you could sleep in there if you wanted?
Yeah. Yeah.
Wow.
And I completely.
Oh my
We're
god.
lounging. You could fit in it.
Well, I mean, I don't know about me. I'm pretty big. I'm pretty fat.
You can fit in it.
Really?
PLUFL.
PLUFL. Okay, I'll have to check that out.
Everybody can use it.
Yeah. Okay. Well, just try to be safe because we're about to go on the freeway. So just hold on, I guess.
We have these handles.
Oh wow, there's handles too. Okay.
Yeah.
Damn, that is so cool. I
Yeah.
cannot get over that. This is the best Uber ride I've ever had in my life.
Me too. Because you're letting me put this in here.
Of course, I'm a cool Uber driver. I actually post these on TikTok. You mind if I share this video? People would love this.
Yeah. Oh, hell yeah.
Yeah, my TikTok followers love me. I'm literally the coolest Uber driver ever. Like I have a, people like me. I'll put it that way. Oh,
Yeah.
watch out for the speed bump. Oh, hello. Be careful.
Yeah.
All right, so you're just really going up right up here?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, this is where I'm at.
Okay, fair enough. Well, it's great to meet you.
Hey, it's great to meet you. And I'm so glad you're gonna get a PLUFL as well, because I'm telling you, I sleep in this every night.
I'm definitely gonna get one. Like right after this ride, I'm gonna go buy one on TikTok. Like I'm definitely gonna buy one for sure.
It warms my heart. My heart's already warm when I'm in a PLUFL, but that just warms it even more.
You said it's a dog bed, right?
For humans. It's a dog bed for humans.
So you know what you gotta do? You gotta bark.
My dog name's Chili. What's your dog name?
I don't have a dog.
Well, I mean, if you were a dog.
Oh, if I had a dog.
No, if you were a dog.
If I were a dog.
What's your name?
Oh, probably Bone. Probably Bone. Or Boney.
Boner.
Boner. I wasn't gonna say it, but yeah. That is crazy. You look so comfy back there.
It tranquilizes you. I think they put tranquilizers in this.
All right, so here we are. So thanks for riding with me, and 5 stars.
Awesome. Yep.
All right, well,
All right.
I'll see you next time.
Okay, give me a second. I just gotta get this out.
Do you need help with that?
No. I got it.
Are you
I
sure?
got it. This
Okay.
is user friendly.
Yeah.
All right.
All right, I'll see ya. Be careful.
God.